Here, this is the 3D model which we are going to create. Along with the dimensions, you can see here, the drawing is there here. Here, first we are going to create a rectangle in this base of 80 into 100. And then we are going to extrude it by 60 mm height. And then we are going to create these steps. Let us first create this rectangle and extrude it to 60. Let me create a new file. We'll go to create a new file, a new part. Now we'll go to sketch. Click on the sketch tool. We'll create a sketch on this plane. We'll create a rectangle. This time I'll create a rectangle whose corner is there on this origin. So click on this origin and let us create a rectangle something like this. Press on the escape key to exit from the command. Now let us go for smart dimensioning and we'll give a dimension here. To this we'll give a dimension 100. Press on the enter key and then to this we are going to give a dimension of 80 mm. Press on the enter key. You can see we have created a constrained rectangle. Now click here to exit the sketch. Rotate and see how it looks. Now let us go for features and extruded boss. Click on extruded boss. And you can see a solid is being formed. Let us give a dimension to this, which is 60. Press on the enter key on the keyboard. Now click on OK. And we have created the block. Now what we will do is, on this face we are going to create the step portion. Here this step portion we are going to create on this face. So we'll create a sketch and then we will extrude it up to 60. And this time we will use cut. This is 15 mm. This length is 15. Typical means this length is 15. This is 15. This is also 15. And this is 25 typical, which indicates this is 25, this, and this all are 25. So let us create it. We'll take sketch on this face. Now let us click on this line tool and we'll create a sketch something like this. We'll hold this corner, move along this side up to here, move down, maybe somewhere here. Click here, 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 here. I'll click on this line and close on this corner. Press on the escape key to exit from the command. Now let us give the dimensions. Go to smart dimensioning. We'll give dimension to this line, which is 15, 1, 5, enter. And to this line, we'll give the dimension 25, 2, 5, enter. Press on the escape key to exit from the command. Now we'll select this line. Use the control key for multiple selection. And all these lines are equal. You can see. Similarly, this line, use the control key to select multiple lines. These three lines are equal. You can see. The sketch is completely constrained. Simply go for exiting sketch. Rotate this. You can see. Now what I am going to do is, we'll go to features, extruded cut. Select the sketch and when it moves, it will cut the solid. Now the dimension here, we will give a 60. Already it is there, so let it be. Now click on OK. And you can see, we have created the solid model